9, 3, 2, 1, charge!
Qualification match 109 is underway. The robots speeding across the defenses of the opponents. Still some movement out there. But it looks like it's time for the drivers to take over, so go at it. Shot on goal by 708, comes short. 32-88 of the Blue Alliance. Gets underneath, drops in a boulder. 20-81 of the Red Alliance answers with a shot of their own on the low goal. Here comes a shot by 74-44, but it comes short. 34-81. Brockbots gets underneath, fires and scores. Their partners, Hatters Robotics, also score on the low goal. Here comes Brockbots, and they shoot again, hitting the high goal on the red tower. 708. Hatters Robotics also pushes one through on the low goal. Another shot on goal by the Red Alliance goes wide. Brockbots work up to the tower, get underneath. Shoot, they score. .2081 gets unjammed under the low bar with some help from a teammate. And there goes the flag on the red tower. It has been damaged by the Blue Alliance. Here comes the Blue Alliance to pour it on with under a minute left to go in qualification match 109 on Newton. The Blue Alliance is ahead 92-42. But here comes the Red Alliance trying to answer, firing boulders at the blue tower. Also working to breach the defenses and score the ranking points. Points are earned each time. The Alliance goes through those defenses that are still lit up. But their goal is to get rid of all of those defenses and silence the lights. Another shot high on goal by the Brockbots. Scores for the Blue Alliance. 20 seconds left to go in the match. The Blue Alliance is out, doubling the points of the Red Alliance at 104-57. Here comes Brockbots, putting up their hook, trying to scale. Up goes 708, up goes 3481. So 2081 is also up for the Red Alliance, and time expires. Here comes your score for qualification match 109. The victor is the Blue Alliance with a score of 139 to the Red Alliance 87. 4 ranking points were scored by the Blue Alliance. All the teams in that alliance moved up a bit in the rankings. No change for the rankings for the teams on the Red Alliance.